That truck mount just finished up where I was, and as you can see, he dumped everything he took out of the carpet in the street. Pretty sure that's illegal, but I don't know the EPA rules. He pulled at the end of this driveway and dumped everything he sucked out right into the gutter, right into the environment. That's awesome. As you can see, it went right on down the street there. Again, another problem with truck mounts is they pretty much litter. They take what's out of your house and throw it in the street.
This video has been in my portfolio for approximately 6 years. This video has never been seen before on this channel. This was filmed in the summer of 2020. This is student housing. Pay attention to the fact that there's no hoses and there's no truck mount. This is a low moisture process called SET. No hoses and no carbon monoxide emissions. Best of all, these carpets will dry in about an hour. First in this process is DICE, dry insoluble soil extraction. Then we're going to use the ORIC, which is an Orboset machine, and we're going to perform the soil extraction transfer technology process called SET. It's also a form of ultra low moisture, ULM. To be transparent, this is a student's apartment, and this is the end of the lease cleaning, so they need to get their deposit back, so they have to have their carpets cleaned. And there is no bait and switch. This is the environmentally safe way to clean your carpets in Tallahassee.